Today I'm starting off my day in Paris. Even though yesterday's vlog was all of Paris, today I'm starting off my day in Paris. Yes. Where are we going?
We're going to, well, we're in Montmartre, and we're going to the Sacré-Cœur, which is a basilica with a really nice view.
And then we got our baguette of the day.
It's 95 cents.
I know, it's so cheap. It was even cheaper than yesterday, and I think it tastes better than yesterday's. Oh my gosh, just look at this view.
Oh, there's a pigeon coming.
What a great way to start the day. Views, baguette. It's not raining, but it's going to rain probably later. Alright everyone, take in all this view. Walking down for almond croissants, right? What's the bakery's name?
It's called... We'll let you know when we get there.
Okay. Christina eating her baguette while we're walking to get more bread. It's closed. No. What are we gonna do?
We'll come tomorrow.
We'll come tomorrow.